Okay, I'm recording now. I'm recording our conversation. Because you are a private individual and there is no foreseeable need for me to protect myself, I need to let you know that this conversation is being recorded, okay?
Okay.
Okay. Would you mind saying, yes, I understand this conversation is being recorded?
I understand this conversation is being recorded.
Okay. Now, tell me about, because I've seen you in St. Andrews a lot with your bird where you would have it on your head, and I thought that was absolutely amazing. Give me some history about your bird.
Well, she's 11. She's a 12-year-old bird. And from day one, she would get on my head. And it's just where she liked it. She felt comfortable.
That's amazing. That's amazing. So what you're saying is there was an instant connection.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
She loved it.
And where did you buy the bird?
I did. My ex-girlfriend gave her to me.
Wow. Wow. And what is the value of a bird like this?
I've been offered $3,500 for it and refused it. She's a seasoned bird and very kind, and that's more expensive than one that a bite only go to one owner. I'd say she's around a $3,000 bird.
That's amazing. And not only that, the value goes up because it's trained, right? Am I correct on that?
Yes.
And so you've had the bird approximately 12 years.
Correct.
And how often is it possible to come across a parrot to where it'll stay on your head?
Well, my other one won't do it.
Yeah, so in other words, what you're saying is...
Every bird has its own different, unique personality.
Right?
And she has a just tremendous personality. She's an adventurer. She don't like staying in one spot too long. She loves riding that bike, so that just she get to go see different things.
Okay, now, without naming names or anything like that, can you name the date and the time, approximately something to where the circumstances behind how you lost your bird?
I was visiting some friends of mine, and I put her on the fence line, and she squawked, and when I went down the fence line, this was June 18th, about 6 p.m., when I went down the fence line to get her, she wasn't on the fence line, so someone took her off the fence line.
Because what you're saying is your bird would stay wherever you wanted, wherever you put it, it would stay, right?
Correct. I mean, it would walk the fence line, but it would not get off that fence line unless someone physically took her off that fence line.
That's, and so this is my way, because I saw you riding your bicycle. This is my way of trying to spread your word further. Because if I lost something, I would want somebody to do that for me too.
Oh, yeah.
And it seems to me like we're in a world right now. You look what's on TV. Gangs are worshipped. You see shows where there's constant conflict. You see shows where people are, glamorized for breaking into somebody's place or, robbing a bank or something like that. And I heard, one of your family members, and I'm sure it probably hurt them a lot too, right?
Yeah, I take care of 2 little kids. I'm their caregiver, and they're 8 and 9, and they love Marley.
That's incredible. That's incredible. So what you're saying is that you are taking care of somebody's kids, right?
Yep.
That is beyond regular love. You know what I'm saying?
Oh, yeah.
So,
Well, I'm doing it for them, nobody else. I'm doing it for the kids.
yeah. Oh, yeah, I understand. I understand. Also, it took a piece out of your heart, too, I'm sure.
Oh, yeah.
And,
I miss my bird. I miss her every day.
yeah. It sounds crazy. Is there any way that, a dog could be used to find it or something? That sounds crazy. It's a crazy stretch. But, you know, you've heard of dogs being used to, like, you know, sniff out drugs that are in a compartment hidden in a vehicle or something like that. I'm just doing a stretch, you know what I'm saying?
They probably could if they had anything of Marley's scent. They probably could.
Well, maybe that might be something that could lead to Bird. How long ago? Let's see. Today's August. What is it? Is it 29th or something? I don't know for sure. What is the date today?
I'd have to hang up my phone and look.
Well, that's okay. That's okay. So approximately how long ago did you lose your bird?
June 18th is when she became missing.
Uh-huh.
And it's been like 78 days or something like that.
Man, that is mind-blowing, man. How far have you put your lost bird signs? Because I saw them, you know, down at St. Andrews down there.
Well, I ride bike and I take care of these kids, so I don't have the ability to go as far as I want every day. But I'd like them to be everywhere, like every gas station. But places like Walmart and Piggly Wiggly, where they're corporate, they don't allow you to hang signs. And I like signs by the door because so many people go through that they don't allow people to put signs up. So I can only put them where I can.
Right, I understand. Have you contacted the News Herald or Channel 13?
Yeah, they did a story on it in the newspaper the day after. And the News Channel 7 did a story on it.
And was it like front page, back page, or what? Was there a picture there or anything like that?
It was front page of the local section. It was pictured.
That's incredible. That's incredible. So anyway, do you want to add anything? Because I'm getting ready to put this on YouTube for you.
There's a reward for the bird. I'm not going to say how much because people try to make you go above and beyond the reward, and I'm broke to begin with, so but there is a reward for the bird, and we really miss her, and I would love to have her back.
Okay,
Birds, a lot of people, what people don't know about birds is if they're treated differently than they're normal, they'll start plucking their feathers out, they can become emotionally insane.
Really?
Yes, birds are very, very mentally stable birds. But I mean, they really get their hearts broken quick.
God, that's amazing. See, I didn't know that, man.
You can have two birds that live together for life, and one of them dies, and the next day you'll find the other dead because of its heart.
Now, have you checked pawn shops, pet shops, or anything, seen if somebody wanted to sell this thing?
I went to pet stores that sell supplies, and they've got brochures of the missing bird, and they know to notify me if someone shows up wanting to sell one. She's a blue-fronted Amazon, and I'm hoping anybody that sees a blue-fronted Amazon anywhere will contact me. It might not be my bird, but as soon as I see it, I'll know if it is or not.
It'll let you know. It'll let you know by its behavior, won't it?
Yeah, Yeah, she'll start jumping around and acting crazy.
Now,
You know,
yeah, now,
just like a dog would if the owner's gone for a month and the dog sees the owner. You know how happy a dog would be.
right.
Birds are the same way.
Now, I want to ask you a question. I don't know if I should have asked you. See, I ain't no reporter, okay? I'm just somebody that cares, okay? Should I have asked you that question about the value of the bird? Because now that you told me that, I kind of feel like we need to leave that out of the interview. What do you think?
Well, maybe.
I mean, it's already here right now. I mean,
because then someone would want $3,000 for it.
Pardon me?
I said, because then somebody would want $3,000 for it, and I would pay it, but I don't have it. I'd pay up to $5,000 for it, but I don't have it.
Okay, I see what you're saying. In other words, that'll give an incentive for them to want to keep their eyes open for the bird, right?
Yes.
Now, where else besides St. Andrews would you ride your bird? Because there might be. How far would you go riding your bird?
I've been to Bayou George once with her. I've been to the west end of the beach several times with her. Just anywhere I choose to ride, she goes with me.
Yeah. If I'm not correct, you frequented a lot of bars. If I'm not correct, so a lot of people would know your bird, right?
Oh yeah, a lot of people know Marley.
Oh, the bird.
Known by thousands of people.
The bird's name is Marley. Okay. Is there anything else you want to add on to it? Because I'm just somebody who's reaching out for you. That's all I'm doing. I don't know all the questions to ask. You know what I'm saying? Oh, did you?
She's extremely friendly. She'll go to anybody. She's a very inquisitive bird. She loves different people.
Did you go? I need to ask you. Did you go to the Bay County Sheriff's Department or Panama City Police Department?
I tried to go to the police department. I already got a file and a case number. The value of the bird is a felony for someone that stole her. I know she's stolen, but
Okay, listen. Don't hang up, but I'm cutting off the. I'm at my point where I can't go any further.